In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a goal tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized place to plan, track, and review your goals all inside your Notion workspace. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. This is the quickest way to get started, and everything we do here will work whether you're using the web version or the desktop app. On the homepage, click Login if you're not already signed in, or click Launch Notion if your account is already active. Either option will take you straight into Notion so you can get building right away. Once you're in, go to your workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, use the sidebar to pick the one where you want your goal tracker to live, whether that's a personal space or a team workspace. Keeping it in the right place makes it easier to share later if you ever need to. Next, click Create New Page. You'll find this option in the left sidebar. A fresh page gives you a clean slate to work with, and we're going to use a template to speed things up and make sure you have a solid structure from the start. On this new page, click Templates. If you don't see templates right away, click Marketplace instead. Both routes open the same catalog where you can explore ready-made setups designed by Notion and the community. In the search bar, type Goal Tracker. Notion will instantly show you a collection of templates tailored for goal setting, tracking progress, and reviewing outcomes. You'll notice options that focus on different timeframes like daily habits, monthly milestones, or quarterly objectives, as well as designs that emphasize progress bars, dashboards, or simple checklists. You will be provided with templates available, so take a moment to look through them, hover over a template to preview its layout, and read the description to see what's included. Some templates include dashboards, properties like due dates and status tags, or filters that surface what matters most. Choose the one that best suits your needs and your style of planning, something you can stick with consistently. When you've found your favorite, click Add. This will bring the template into your workspace as a new page ready to use. From here, you can start entering your goals and make quick adjustments to names, views, or categories so the tracker reflects your priorities. The key is to keep it simple and consistent so it becomes a tool you actually use every day. That's it. You've created a goal tracker in Notion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.